Bullish ADA value expectation is 33 cents to 75 cents. Cardano cost could likewise reach 50 cents soon. Bearish ADA cost expectation for 2022 is 24 cents. In Cardano cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ADA to examine the future development of the digital currency. Cardano current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Cardano is 25 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $148,116,745 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, ADA has diminished by almost 0.34% as of now. Besides, Cardano has a flowing stock of 34,497,019,581 ADA. Presently, Cardano exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, COINW, OKX and Gate.io, FMFW.io and Coinbase trade. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local badge of the Cardano blockchain. This economical blockchain utilizes the evidence of stake agreement component, Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain at first existed as a Layer 1 arrangement. Ultimately, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, was coordinated onto the current organization in late 2021. Cardano has been worked as an overhauled variant of Ethereum's Shrewd Agreements organization. It expects to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano Value Forecast 2022. Cardano stands firm on the 9th foothold on CoinGecko at the present time. ADA Cost Forecast 2022 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The above diagram of Cardano spread out the plummeting channel example. Diving channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A diving channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. Presently, Cardano is in the scope of 25 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of ADA could arrive at the opposition levels of 29 cents. 33 cents and 38 cents. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of ADA might tumble to 24 cents. Cardano backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Cardano from the above everyday time period. We can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Cardano. The outlines show that Cardano has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, ADA could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at 75 cents. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Cardano could dive to nearly 25 cents, a negative sign. Cardano Value Expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Cardano is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of ADA lies beneath the end line, demonstrating feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Cardano is displayed in the graph above. Strikingly, the Cardano cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, ADA has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ADA whenever. In the meantime, the general strength list of the ADA is 27.04. This implies that Cardano is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of ADA might happen in the impending days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Cardano Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Cardano. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Cardano. As of now, the ADX of ADA lies in the scope of 42.595 and consequently, it shows serious areas of strength for it. The above graph likewise addresses the overall unpredictability file of Cardano. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of ADA lies under 50, demonstrating low instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Cardano is at 27.04, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of ADA with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. From the above graph, it tends to be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and ADA are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and ADA additionally increment or abatement separately. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Cardano could likely accomplish $2 by 2023. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Cardano could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ADA could energize to hit $4 by 2024. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Cardano supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ADA would energize to hit $6. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. If Cardano supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ADA would mobilize to hit $8. Cardano Value Forecast 2027. In the event that Cardano supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ADA would mobilize to hit $12. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. If Cardano holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, ADA would hit $15 in 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, it would observe significant spikes. ADA could hit $19 by 2029. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Cardano biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ADA for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Cardano could hit $21 by 2030. And, with ceaseless upgrades in the Cardano organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ADA. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Cardano in 2022 is 75 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Cardano cost expectation for 2022 is 25 cents. Furthermore, with the progressions and moves up to the Cardano environment, the presentation of ADA would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3.09 very soon. However, it could likewise reach 50 cents assuming the financial backers accept that ADA is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local cryptographic money of Cardano. Cardano is a savvy contract put together blockchain working with respect to the evidence of stake agreement send-off in 2017. 2. Where might you at any point buy Cardano? Cardano has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, KuCoin, OKX and Gate.io, FMFW.io and Coinbase Trade. 3. Will Cardano come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Cardano stage, ADA has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Cardano? On September 2, 2021, Cardano arrived at its new all-time high of $3.09. 5. Is Cardano a wise interest in 2022? Cardano is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Cardano in the beyond couple of months, ADA is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Will Cardano reach 50 cents? Cardano is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the end, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds,